In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Shopify shipping tutorial. So let's get started. So how to set up your Shopify shipping and delivery. So the first thing that you want to do is simply head over to admin.shopify.com and log into your account. So if you haven't created an account yet, you might want to sign up for an account first. Now, after creating or logging into your account, you'll be redirected right here in Shopify's homepage. So from here, the first thing you want to do to set up your shipping is first you need to have a paid subscription. So you want to go to your settings, go to plan, and make sure that you have a paid subscription. So you can choose the plans right there. So as you can see, I can change plan right here because I already have the plan for solo entrepreneurs. So if you're using the free plan, so you might or you can't set up your Shopify shipping and delivery. Now you want to go back to your settings. From here in the bunch of different options right here in the left, you want to select shipping and delivery. Now you'll see a bunch of different options right here. So first you can create new profiles. You'll see the general shipping rates right here, custom shipping rates. So to create custom shipping rates, you'll need to create a new profile to add custom rates or destination restrictions for group of products. Now you'll see also right here expected delivery dates with this option for shop promise. So it show automated delivery dates for eligible orders and increase conversion. Next is manual delivery dates. So it'll show delivery dates at checkout. Next is order routing. So you can manage how locations are assigned to new orders. As you can see, I have three routing rules active. Next is local delivery. So you can set this up right here. So it will deliver orders to customers directly from your locations. Also pick up in store. So you will let customers pick up their orders at your locations. Next is delivery customization. So control how delivery options appear to buyers at checkout. So you can hide, reorder, and rename delivery options. And next is saved packages. So you'll see the default package right here. So this is a sample box that has this size. So this is used to calculate shipping rates at checkout and pre-selected when buying labels. And next, you can enable third-party calculated rates at checkout. So you can connect your existing shipping carrier account to use at your own rates. And next is packing slips. So you can create packing slip templates right here and custom order fulfillment. You can add an email for a custom fulfillment service that fulfills order for you. Now, first, let's go and set up our general shipping rate. So let's click here. Now you will see the products that are eligible for your shipping right here. So also to charge different rates for only certain products, you'll need to create a new profile. So if you want to add all of your products, you want to click here on new profile. Now you can create a profile name. Right here in the products, you can add products. So you can simply select all of this, click on done. Now the fulfillment locations. So you need to select shop location. I have deleted this, done, and done. Now these are the fulfillment locations. So if you want to add a new one, click here on add shipping zone, and you'll see the countries available right here. So let's say I'm just going to select this, click on done. I click on zone name, let's just say Asia, on done. Now you can also start shipping to more places if you can't see your country right here. Now you can also add rates in the shipping zones you just added. So you can either choose flat rate, shipping rate custom, you can add custom rate name, also custom delivery description, which is only optional, and select the price right here. Click on done. I'm just going to add it as free. Now click on save. let's just add profile name. Let's say Asia. Click on save. So now we have a new custom shipping rates right here. Now here in expected delivery dates, so let's just set up our shop promise, like here. So as you see, you don't have this app installed, so get shop and try again. So let's click on install. Now we'll be redirected to the shop app in Shopify. So just wait for it to load. So now just click on activate Shopify payments. So now we will be redirected to payments. So what you want to do is simply click here and choose a provider and just select this aid in payments. So you're not accepting payments with. So to accept this, you need to finish setting up your account with the provider to start accepting payments. So this is a problem with my account. I have already installed this. So simply install it first to your account. And now we can go back to delivery and shipping. You can also select manual delivery dates. So expected delivery dates are calculated by adding a shipping rates transit time to your order processing time. Next is order routing. So let's click here on order routing. So you'll see these options right here. You can also drag it like that, order that what you want. And also add a rule. Let's say you want to use ranked locations there. And now you can simply change the priority of your routing rules. So if you don't want this routing rules priority setup, you can simply click here to revert to default. So just click on save and go back. Now the main thing that we want to set up is this local delivery. So click here on setup. Now shop location, click on shop location. So what we want to do is simply check this box. So this location offers local delivery. Now you'll see the delivery zones right here. So in my case, my location address can be verified, so I'll need to change this. But if your address is already verified, you can simply select this, use postal codes, or set a delivery radius. So if you want local delivery, you can add zones right here. Select the postal code or type in the postal code. Now create the minimum order price, delivery price, and the delivery information. Needs to add postal codes. Click on save. And as you can see, you have created your new local delivery zone. Also, you can manage local deliveries by installing delivery apps. So when you click here, you'll see a bunch of different delivery apps that you can choose from. So I recommend those apps that has this built for Shopify logo. So those are the good delivery apps you can use for your local deliveries. So basically, that's all there is to setting up your shipping and delivery. Local delivery not saved. Just going to save this. Now from here in the other options below, this is just depends on you. So if you want to use the default package or add a package, you can do so right here. You can also add delivery customizations and packing slip templates. So basically, that's how you can set up your shipping and delivery in Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.